Around Hoan Kiem Lake here in the old quarter in Hanoi, Vietnam. Now, I've actually walked around this lake a few times. I just haven't videotaped it, and I'm going to take you along this morning and go for this little walk. It's a really beautiful lake, and I'm starting right from my hotel area, and I'm going to head down there. A little bit cloudy and hazy right now, but it's really popular in the morning. Lots of folks walking around it, running, doing exercise, and it's really a nice place to go to, especially this time of day. You know, if you like this content, it helps you out, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of places. Look at this coconut cart. Common sight here in Hanoi, and I go to quite a few places, and I love sharing my travel adventures. And you see this is the road here. Got some runners today, and here is the lake. Absolutely beautiful. This would be, I would call it maybe the north end of the lake. Check these tree roots out. I mean, look at this tree. Just see the root structure. And they just kind of built the wall around it. Pretty cool. There's another one right here. Kind of see how it goes out. And they get at nighttime, they kind of light it up a little bit. Looks like they may have the road secured. Normally there's traffic here. Maybe they're just doing some type of running. You know, so it's Saturday morning, so maybe they do this on Saturdays. But because right now this is kind of like a roundabout here in this part of the old quarter, and the traffic is blocked off by the fence over there. And here's a map of it right now. You can see, so I walk around Old Quarter, that's where I'm at right now. They have some cathedrals around. See all the folks out? Little exercise groups going on. Got a little coffee shop right on the edge of it. Called a cat nap. I guess that's the name of it. Haven't decided if I'm going to do 1 lap or 2 laps. The other day I did 2 laps. So they are doing some type of event.
Còn lúc nào chán thì dậy dậy.
Another good shot of the lake. It's kind of like on the, I'd say the west side. Actually started from right over there. I love Hanoi. Kind of cool. They got a little exercise group going on, pretty neat. Lotus water puppet, all right. So right in front of me is known as Turtle Tower, which has been around since the 1400s. And it's one of the most iconic spots, architectural spots here in Hanoi and all over Vietnam. So that's pretty cool to see here on the lake. So this is the, I would say the other end of the lake. I'll just call that north, and now I'm at the south end. Another shot of Turtle Tower. Point out is just the way the structure of these old quarter buildings are. Check it out. This is on the southern end of the lake. Very beautiful. Look at the tree structure on this end of the lake. Very cool. Love these structures. Lots of history right here. Emperor, if I can pronounce it correctly, Lai Pat To. Very iconic. And look right here, you have these are known as pomelos. So that's one thing cool about walking around this lake. You run into a lot of very historical sites here, and it's worthwhile. Absolutely love it. Back out to the lake. Had a little stop here on the east side. Continuing my little walk here, now on the east side. I just stopped by the Emperor's statue. So we're gonna enter this temple This is the kind of going back down to the north end of the lake. So I just purchased my ticket to go in the Ngoc temple, and it's 50,000 Vietnamese dong. I asked the gal at the window to make sure I pronounce it right. Ngoc. So
right here.
thank you. You go across this little bridge. Very cool. There's the Turtle Tower in the distance. So this is what it looks like as soon as you come in. You got this nice little building here. It's like a little there's the picture of the tower. This is kind of the surrounding right when you come in, so right over the bridge, and then take a walk around the side. Gotta do a 360 from where I'm at. See if I can get a shot from the inside. This is the inside. So there is the structure that I passed earlier. And here is Turtle Tower in the lake. This is where I'm at right now. Actually, over in here. Came across this bridge right in there. So going to the other side of this temple, which is actually really cool here on the lake. Let's see. Kind of like walk down to the base of it. So this is right on the, there's the north end. that was really cool to see that temple right here on the lake, and go back across, finish up my little walk. So what I thought I'd do is go get this statue. I've passed it quite a few times. And I'll have to find out later on the history behind it. So I just picked up this from this gal. Pretty good. Excellent. This is what it is. Thank you very much. This is the end of this video, and this is basically where I started from, and right behind me is the temple that I was just in here at Hoan Kiem Lake. And if this information helps you out, you know, please consider giving it a like. Please consider subscribing. Really does help out my channel, and it's absolutely great to walk around at this time of day, or any time actually. It's beautiful. So see you from beautiful Hanoi, Vietnam, here in the Old Quarter. Later.